Once upon a time, all the sneakers you could find were simple and straightforward. But now, the days have changed. Technology nowadays can be wrapped around your feet, whether it's running, jogging, dancing, or any kind of sport. And you can find footwear, spatial sneakers with cool tech features like fitness tracking, multiple lighting modes, Bluetooth connection, app support, and so on that make you stand out from the crowd. After all, sneakers are supposed to be cool, right? Well, let's get introduced to the smart sneakers from ZOOOii. With an interactive LED lighting system, Bluetooth app control, and other smart functionalities. ZOOOii is a brand from Sincetech Group, a high-tech enterprise that is extensively engaged in developing innovative high-technology products. And these sneakers are cool because they glow in different ways, and humans instinctively have this predisposition towards glowing objects. Well, in today's video, we've got the ZOOOii Smart Sneakers reviewed just for you. So, let's get on with it. Illuminate every step you take and stand out from the crowd with these sneakers from ZOOOii. That'll let you push your style to remarkable heights during outdoor parties, running, and jogging. They are specifically designed and developed, keeping the intention of creating dynamic and interactive lighting effects while wearing them. So let's start with its upper construction. The upper construction combines the latest fabric technology and trend-setting design concepts from ZOOOii. It's incredibly light and supportive, and therefore it's great for running, jogging, exercising, or even dancing. Speaking of dancing, you can dance and have fun outdoors even if it rains because these sneakers are shockproof, water-resistant, and made from high-quality materials. It has got a comfortable deodorant and antibacterial insole made of PU material, and its midsole is made of expanded thermoplastic polyurethane or ETPU material, which is very comfortable. However, its icy translucent outsole is made of rubber, providing you with plush comfort all day long. And most importantly, it is anti-slip and wear resistant. Its highly improved cushion and reboundability of the sole makes it perfect for walking and daily usage. Besides, its innovative bridge-like structure and buckle design makes ZOOOii supportive and easy to sleep on. As you have already seen, these sneakers glow. They have a smart LED lighting system which interacts according to your movements. Yes, it has got motion control. You can customize its lighting effects with different flashing frequencies according to the height of the foot position. Its lights will flash when your foot is lifted, and not only that, the lights have multiple colors, and based on your feet movement, they will display different flash frequencies. As you can see, it has got a bulging area on its heel counter. Well, this is where its button is situated. Press these buttons of both shoes together, connect to the ZOOOii app, and you can adjust different light effects. However, you can choose from 17 different color options for LEDs using its app. You can unlock most of the colors by using these sneakers. The longer you use, the more color is unlocked. This feature will surely increase your engagement with the wearables. By now, you might be wondering how these lights are powered. Well, it has got a 400 mAh battery that takes 2 hours to charge via its magnetic chargers, and this battery can provide support for up to 3 hours. Do not think for a second that this shoe is only for your wildest all-night-long parties and conversation starters with no real-life use, as this light-up sneaker can also be worn for outdoor parties, casual sports days, running, exercising, and so on. So if you like trendy and flashy sneakers that'll definitely grab the attention of others with their unique style, then you should get yourself a pair of ZOOOii Smart Sneakers without a doubt. These smart sneakers are still undergoing a Kickstarter campaign, and you can still back this product if you want. So that was our video review of the all-new smart sneakers from ZOOOii. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And feel free to share your viewpoints in the comment section after finishing the video.